ang laro.
Magkakaroon po tayo ng winner-take-all Game 7 between these two teams. Kasi natawag na heavyweight match. Yung mananalo po, yan po ang kupunan na papasok sa final. And Coach Jen Gao, they're looking ahead. They're really determined to send the series to a Game 7.
We'll see, no? Who has a bigger heart on Sunday?
He can say whatever he wants, but we're determined to win the series.
Alright, mga kaibigan, saksi po ang lahat ng taong yan at kayo dito sa kahuli-hulihang laro. Promise, sa semi-final round ng seryeng ito ng Red Bull Barako at ng Pure Foods TJ Giants dito po sa Philippine Cup ng ating 2008 season ng PBA. Punong-puno po ang Araneta Coliseum at bakit nga naman hindi? Kanina po nasaksihan ninyo ang magandang labanan ng Santa Lucia at ng Kalas at kayo naman magtatagpo na sinabi nga natin na huli na pong laro ng semi-final round ng seryeng ito. Mabibilangan po yan nila Kirby Raimundo, James Yap, Nick Felici, Cyrus Baguio at ang iba-iba pang mga manlalaro ng dalawang kupunan ito, ang Pure Foods TJ Giants at ang Red Bull Barako. Dito sa ating Knockout Sunday, finals na sa final round. Sabi nga natin, kahuli-hulihan po ito. Wala na pong extension, wala nang bukas. Kaya antabayan na po natin kung ano mangyayari. Maupay na gabi, yung tanang kasangkayan. Magandang gabi po. Mula po rito sa Cubao, Quezon City. At para sa ABC 5, Ed Dixon po lamang kasama si Councilor Jason Webb para sa Game 7 ng Red Bull Barako versus the Pure Foods TJ Giants. Good evening, Jason.
Good evening, Ed. Game 7, this is what players live for. These are the games that fans live for. Alam mo, yung excitement ng Game 7, kakaiba talaga. Sigurado, yung mga fans, tumayo lahat dito. Sigurado, marami nanonood sa atin. And believe me, as players, you really look forward to a Game 7. And these are the games that you look forward to and look at. Doon sa mga, pag lumalaki ka, ito yung gusto mong laruin.
The players, the fans, the coaches, the commentators want a Game 7, and we have it. Pero, equally exciting yung dinaanan po ng dalawang kupunan ito sa pagpunta nila sa Game 7. Noong Game number 1, ito po ang game na kung saan umusbong si Chico Lanete with 18 points, 16 doon in the third quarter. Round 2 ng serye, Red Bull naman ang kumalang. Junti Valenzuela with 11 points in the fourth quarter. Round 3, yung 1-2 punch ng Pure Foods. James Yap, 29 points. Raimundo, 27. Pure Foods won that 99-90. At sa round 4 naman, Red Bull in overtime. Hindi po matapos-tapos yung laro yun. Baguio, Cyrus Baguio with 20 points. Mag-amok ang Barako sa overtime. In round number 5, split decision. 96-95 po naging score doon, pero umabante ang mga higante. Round 6, Red Bull naman nagpakawala at pinarada si Chico Adriano with a new career high of 29 points. Red Bull won round 6 o game number 6 of the series, 123-97. Well, kung talagang boxing ito naman ang ito, talagang magiging split decision. 3 round para sa Red Bull, 3 round para sa Pure Foods. Pero in contrast to boxing, dito po sa basketball, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng tiebreaker. Ika nga. Kaya ito po tayo sa round 7. Dito magtatapos itong labanan ito. Pakinggan natin kung ano naman ang sinasabi ng dalawang very vocal na coaches ng Pure Foods at Red Bull. Ito.
This is what we wanted in the first place, to get into a Game 7, drag them into Game 7, and that's exactly what's going to happen. It's a good win for us because I think the momentum shifts back to us.
Oh, they showed great resolve to survive. The survival instincts were really evident. They shot extremely well from the outside, and our legs were not ready to challenge, and they were just more focused. Ganun lang yan. We won Game 5, they came back Game 6. It's dead even.
I guess all the adjustments have been made. There are no more surprises on Sunday. Alam na lahat kung anong pwedeng possibilities na pwedeng i-adjust. It's just going to be sheer determination to win. Whoever has the greater desire to get to the finals, I think will win the Sunday game. We'll see, no? Who has a bigger heart on Sunday?
We're prepared to play in a Game 7 setting, and we know how to play in situations like this. And also Red Bull. So definitely it's going to be a very interesting ball game. So the tougher team wins Game 7.
Well, doon pa lang sa kanilang mga sinasabi, Jason, very interesting na eh. Dalawang coaches na pareho pong very articulate, have good communication skills, and of course, very sound basketball strategy.
And you can see both coaches are trying to get into the heads of both the other coaches.
Taiwan, no?
Pati doon sa mga players, doon sa mga binabanggit nila. Pero gaya ng sinabi mo, Ed, parang nagiging boxing to. So silipin na rin natin yung tail of the tape kung ano yung mga stats na nakita natin in the first 6 games of the series. Makikita natin dito yung 3-point shooting. Ito, ang laki bumuhay dito ng 3-point shooting sa Red Bull. 36%, and we know this Red Bull team, top to bottom, all of them can shoot the 3-point shot. Ito naman ang bumubuhay sa Pure Foods. Yung rebounding, plus 10. Second chance points because of the number of rebounds that they have, plus 6. Ang turnovers, kung titingnan natin, mas marami ang Pure Foods, but they have done a better job at making points out of the turnovers of Red Bull. Isang key dito na napansin ko, Ed, yung itong Pure Foods, through the entire series, has 45 more attempts compared to Red Bull. Ang maganda lang sa Red Bull, they're shooting the ball much better than Pure Foods.
Well, just like in a boxing match, ano ha, magkaiba po ang style ito. Isa slugger, isa naman boxer. Pero nakikita natin, kailangan po lahat ng elemento nandyan. At isang elemento na naging malaking tulong para sa Red Bull, walang iba po, yung umi-sky sa kanila na si Cyrus Baguio. He is flying high to the finals. Cyrus Baguio is one that Red Bull will have to rely on in this game.
Obviously, in the win, Cyrus Baguio scoring more than in the losses, as you can see. But what is evident there is he is the barometer kung nakakatakbo itong Red Bull Barako. Because if Cyrus Baguio is able to score the way he scores there, like 19 points, ibig sabihin, Red Bull is playing their game and they're able to go on the open court.
On the other hand, yung Pure Foods TJ Giants, mga kaibigan, alam natin merong 1-2 punch yan. Pero yung tinatawag na The Kid, si Kirby Raimundo, eto na, he must be the man for Pure Foods tonight.
Of course, Kirby started his career with Red Bull. Ang layo ng puntos niya in the wins and in the losses. This is what you have to remember. It's been a split. Tatlong panalo para sa Pure Foods, tatlong panalo para sa Red Bull. Lahat ng panalo ng Pure Foods, best player si Kirby Raimundo. Siguro kinakailangan pa ng isang best player para kay Kirby for them to wrap up the series.
Kaya po, nakita natin in Game 6, only 4 points and 1 out of 6 from the floor. Doon po ay natalo ng malaki ang Pure Foods sa Red Bull. Kaya po tayo pumasok ito ang Game 7 at kaya po naman punong-puno ang Araneta Coliseum ngayong gabi. Pinakikilala na po mga kaibigan ang starting unit ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Nandiyo si Roger at James Yap, Kirby Raimundo of course, Mark Pickles and Jordan Salvador. At alam naman natin, malalim ang bench nitong si Coach Ryan Gregorio. Jason.
Sa Coach Ryan Gregorio, ang gusto natin makita dito, with his new starting lineup, Roger Yap starting for the first time. Alam natin, ang ginagamit ang kadalasan si Noy Castillo. What we'd like to see, how will he start his defense? Game 5, pinikla niya ang Red Bull with the zone. Tinambakan nila yung Red Bull sa first quarter pa lamang. Tried it the same trick in Game 6. Mabilis ang adjustments ni Coach Jeng. Si Coach Jeng ang lumamang na malaki sa first quarter.
Alright, nakita naman natin ang mga mag-upisa para sa Red Bull. Solino Cruz, Kiko Adriano, Cyrus Baguio, Mike Rayback, and Nick Pinisi. Ayan, nakita nyo ng Game 6, 21 lead. Game 5 naman, 23-7 ang Pure Foods. So, kailangan dito. Maganda yung nakakauna ka rito eh. Banggit nga natin nung Game 4 na kung sino nakakalaban sa first quarter, normally ay siyang nagwawagiti sa laro. Except in that particular game, the Game 4, na kung saan ay lumabang ang Pure Foods sa first quarter pero natalo sila in overtime. Good defense there by Red Bull. 6 seconds na lang ang natira sa shot clock ng Pure Foods as Mike Pinglis inbounds. And he stepped on the line. At mananalipay po yung tira na yun ni James Yap.
At hindi lang si Roger Yap ang surprise starter natin. Also, Mark Pingris starting for the first time in this series. You can see both coaches making sure that they have the best available five to start the game.
Danilo Cruz, binigay kay Mick Pining.